Most people waste their first $1,000. But if you play it smart, that small amount can grow into something big. Today, I'll show you exactly how I'd invest $1,000 in November 2025, step by step, using real apps and simple strategies that actually work. Before you even open an investing app, you need the right mindset. This isn't about gambling on meme stocks or trying to double your money overnight. It's about owning assets that grow while you sleep. Think of your $1,000 as a seed. Your job is to plant it in the right soil. Step 1, before investing, build a mini emergency fund. If you don't have at least $200 to $300 in a high-yield savings account, do that first. Why? Because if your car breaks down or you lose your job, you don't want to sell your investments at a loss. You want to protect your growing money, not drain it. Now for the fun part, let's invest. I'd take the remaining $700 to $800 and split it like this. 60%, $480 S&P 500 ETF, like VOO or SPY. You instantly own 500 of the biggest US companies. 20%, $160, Arrow A Total World Stock ETF, like VT, gives you global exposure. 10%, $80, high yield savings or short-term treasury ETF, safe, low risk. 10%, $80, fun money. Invest in something you believe in. Tesla, Apple, or an AI ETF, something you'll stay interested in. Once you've made your first investments, the next step is to automate. Even $25 to $50 a week adds up fast when it's consistent. The key isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. If you just add a little each month and never touch it, that $1,000 could turn into thousands in a few years. Don't check it every day. Let compound interest do its thing. Most beginners stop after they buy their first stock. Don't do that. Keep learning. Watch videos. Read about ETFs. Understand how inflation and interest rates affect your money. The more you learn, the more you earn. Literally. So that's how I'd invest $1,000 today. Smart, simple, and future-focused. If you want me to do a December edition with updated picks and performance, drop a comment saying next month. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay smart with your money.